Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, March 10th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. As my LiveGood team continues to grow, I'm getting more messages on what I do aside from using Facebook and YouTube to grow my LiveGood business, okay? Now, I'll tell you that probably 95% thus far of all of my LiveGood signups have come from Facebook and YouTube, okay? I've been making a YouTube video every single day since I believe December 28th of 2022, and I post regularly in Facebook groups and send messages out on Facebook Messenger, all right, pertaining to LiveGood. So the majority of that comes from Facebook and YouTube, okay? However, I do offline marketing as well, all right? I have drop cards that I use. I wear the LiveGood merch out when I go out and about, strike up conversations. And then one thing that I did earlier this winter was I had a friend of mine. He has a car shop, and he does like window tinting and stereo systems and window decals and all that. And I had him make up a LiveGood2023.com sticker for the back of my car, as you can see here, okay? And I just put that up, and, you know, there's no way for me to track if people are coming from this link here, but I can tell you that in the summertime, where I live in Maine, we get almost 5 million people, 5 million summer visitors. All right, I live right literally in Acadia National Park, and so we have tourists from all over the world come. And we do a lot of driving around, all right? We have a soap company. We deliver soap. We're always downtown, you know, amongst all the tourists. So, you know, I know that this summer, particularly, that people will be looking at LiveGood2023.com, and they're going to be interested in knowing more about what this is, right? So I have no doubt in my mind that I will be getting pre-enrollees and most likely some people who join just by having this on the back of my car. All right, so it's a very inexpensive way to promote. And if you folks live in a huge city or, you know, a metropolitan area where you're around a lot of people, then it's a no-brainer to do something like this, okay? And I paid my friend $40 for this sticker for him to make it and then put it on for me. You can get these for probably about half the price online, but I always like to support my friends and stay local in my community. So that's why I did that. But yeah, you could probably get something like this for about 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, and have it delivered, and then you just put it on yourself. So this is something I highly recommend you do. It's a great way to advertise your business. And I would also recommend just getting a custom domain name, okay? You don't want to use, you know, livegoodtour.com / a username, all right? Because it's just, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but you want something clean looking on the back of your vehicle. So, you know, if your name is John, you could get LiveGood with John, or if your name's Mary, LiveGood with Mary, or something to that effect, okay? Just so it's something that's easy to type out and people can visit, all right? It can stick in their head. LiveGood 2023, you know, people can remember that. So anyway, that is my advice for you. If you're not comfortable making a YouTube video or messaging people on Facebook, then there are plenty of other ways to promote offline, all right? You can do postcards. We have drop cards. You know, you can do brochures. You can do QR codes, you know, stick decals like this on your vehicle. You can even get the magnetics signs that go on the side of your cars. So there's a whole bunch of ways that you can advertise and promote LiveGood while you're out and about, all right? Another thing you can do is wear the LiveGood merch, all right? I wear my t-shirt. I wear my hat. And I've gotten signups from it, from talking to people about LiveGood. So that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. I love seeing my YouTube channel grow, and your support means a lot. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.